Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make some flavorful chicken breasts that you can use for your lunch, dinners, or your meal prep. Let me show you what we need. So for this recipe, we're going to need cinnamon, paprika, cilantro, black pepper, some salt, some olive oil, and my secret weapon, stinging hot honey from Halifax Honey. So time to marinate the chicken. I have about 12 chicken breasts in here. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Then we're gonna drop some cinnamon in here. Okay, let's bring the camera closer so we could show them how much I'm dropping roughly. Next, I'm throwing the paprika in here. We wanna make sure we're covering everything. Cilantro coming in. I like to be generous with the seasonings. Ensure we get some good flavor going on. Cracking some black pepper on there. We're gonna get some salt and we're gonna get some stinging hot honey in there as well. Look at that. So here you have a couple options. You can use a brush to coat everything evenly, or you can get in there with your hands like I'm about to do right now. So we're just gonna get in here and we're just gonna turn everything and mix it all together, make it all nice, make sure everything's nice and coated. I always like to go through once and mix it all up. Then I might top it off with some more seasonings if needed. So I've just done the initial coating. I'm gonna go through again with some black pepper and some more paprika just to coat it a little bit more so it comes nice off of that grill. So we're gonna coat this chicken a little bit more with the black pepper. You can be generous with this. And we're looking to make it a little bit more red. So I'm gonna throw on some more paprika. So after you marinate the chicken, you wanna let it sit for at least 20 minutes. If you have more time, you can definitely leave it in the fridge overnight. The longer it gets to soak in the marination, the more tender and flavorful the chicken breast will be. But to be honest, 20 to 30 minutes with this recipe I find is just fine. So now we've got the pans heating up on the stove here. So we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to each pan. I wanna ensure you add enough to coat the full base. We got our pans here heated up. We got our chicken nice and marinated, so we're gonna start dropping them on. For these medium breasts, I would recommend a medium-high heat for about 7 to 8 minutes per side. So we are going to start dropping them on, and I always like to drop it on with the full side down, so the top side down essentially. All right, so as you can see, it's sizzling up. We're gonna let it go for about 7 minutes on each side. I'm gonna load up the next pot here. Hey Siri, start stopwatch. We got the watch recording our time right now. So we're gonna let that cook up for a bit and we're gonna check in with you in a second. So I'm currently at my mother-in-law's house. I'm not cooking on my own stove, so I had the heat a little bit high on this pan. I'm not used to the gas stove, but it's all good. We're still working with it. That one's a little bit of a better temperature over there. So 7 minutes has gone down. We're just gonna start with flipping over here. I'm sure these are still gonna taste great. We're gonna call them blackened chicken. Gonna let that cook up nice. We're lowering down the heat over there. But now on this side, we got a little bit of a better color going on. We're gonna flip these guys over and we're gonna let that sit on 7 minutes to cook the other side nice and right. And as you can see, 7 to 8 minutes each side has these cooked nice and right. So we are gonna take them off the fire and let them rest for a bit. Beautiful, smelling nice, beautiful. And we got these chicken breasts from the farm, Maple Lodge Farms, so that is the extra piece that's gonna make these so good. If this video was helpful to you or you want to see more recipe videos or more fitness and nutrition tips, then make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, and like this video. Also, drop a comment below. We'd love to engage with you there, and we're gonna catch you in the next one. Take care.